Today, I will show you how to fix the error in Audacity that says cannot open this type of file. First, open Audacity and go to the top menu bar. Click on Edit, and from the drop-down menu, click on Preferences. When the Preferences window opens, click on Libraries. Here you will see the FFmpeg library. Click on the Download button next to it. This will open the Audacity FAQ page. On that page, look for the blue button that says Installing FFmpeg and click on it. This will take you to a page with the download links. Scroll down and select your operating system. If you're on Windows, click the Windows link. If you're on Mac or Linux, click the link for that system. This will take you to the official download page. Click on the download link and the file will begin to download. Once the installer is downloaded, run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After the installation is complete, restart Audacity. Now, if you try to import the audio file again, the error will be gone. That is how you fix the cannot open this type of file error in Audacity.